Master the art of growing your YouTube channel. How to grow on YouTube, step by step. Hey there, future YouTube stars. Welcome to Facts of the Matter, where we unlock the secrets to growing on YouTube and turning your passion into success. If you're ready to grow your channel and attract an audience that loves your content, stick around because I've got actionable tips that you can start using today. How to grow on YouTube, step by step. Step 1. Define your niche. The first step to YouTube success is defining your niche. What's your channel about? Are you a gamer, a beauty guru, or a tech enthusiast? Focusing on a niche helps you attract a specific audience and stand out in a sea of creators. Remember, clarity beats creativity when you're starting out. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Become the go-to expert or entertainer for a specific group of people. Step 2. Research your audience. Use tools like YouTube Analytics and Google Trends to find out what people in your niche are searching for. This is key to creating content that resonates. Pay attention to age, gender, and interests. These insights help you craft videos that your viewers will love. Step 2. Research your audience. Use tools like YouTube Analytics and Google Trends to find out what people in your niche are searching for. Step 3. Consistency is your superpower. Decide on a posting schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, showing up consistently builds trust with your audience and signals to the algorithm that you're serious. Step 4. Optimize your thumbnails and titles. People will judge your video by its cover, so make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching and your titles are intriguing. Use keywords strategically. This helps with search rankings. But remember, no clickbait. Always deliver on the promise of your title. Step 5. Focus on quality. Good lighting, clear audio, and engaging edits can make or break your videos. You don't need fancy equipment. A smartphone and free editing software can do wonders. The key is to make sure your content adds value and keeps viewers watching till the end. Step 6. Promote your videos. Share them on social media, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your audience in the comments. Building a community is just as important as creating content. And finally, step 7. Be patient and persistent. Growth doesn't happen overnight, but every video you make is a step closer to your goal. Celebrate small wins, learn from mistakes, and keep going. Subscribe for more tips. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. This is part 1 of a multi-part web-based mini-series focused on helping creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep grinding, never give up.